Hey there! Welcome back to Cool Product, where today we're counting down the top 5 best HDMI video transmitter and receiver systems for smooth wireless video, low latency, and long-range performance. Whether for filmmaking, meetings, or home entertainment, these picks deliver reliable screen sharing. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Hagibis HDMI video transmitter and receiver. The Hagibis HDMI video transmitter and receiver is a modern wireless solution designed to simplify high-quality screen sharing for both professional and home environments. Built with dual-mode functionality, it supports both point-to-point display and software-based display, offering flexible usage depending on user needs. One of its standout features is the Intelligent Visual Status System. The built-in LED indicators make it easy to understand connection conditions at a glance. Signal strength is clearly shown through bar indicators, where 1 or 2 bars represent a weaker signal and 3 bars indicate a strong, stable connection. Connection status is also visually communicated through flashing patterns, slow flash for not connected, fast flash during pairing, and a steady light when fully connected. Ease of use is at the core of its design. With a driver-free, plug-and-play setup, users can connect the HDMI transmitter and receiver instantly without needing additional software or complex installation. This makes it especially suitable for meetings, classrooms, and quick multimedia presentations. The device operates on an upgraded 5.8 GHz dual-frequency signal, significantly improving anti-interference performance. This ensures smooth, high-speed, and stable video transmission even in environments with multiple wireless devices. With a transmission range of up to 50 meters, it is well suited for large conference rooms, offices, and spacious living areas. It also features dual external high-performance antennas that enhance signal coverage and maintain stable connectivity over long distances. Another key advantage is audio-visual synchronization, allowing both sound and picture to transmit together seamlessly for a more immersive experience. Additionally, the receiver includes a 3.5 mm audio output port, enabling users to connect external speakers or headphones for enhanced audio flexibility. Overall, this wireless HDMI solution combines stability, long-range performance, and user-friendly operation, making it an efficient tool for seamless multimedia sharing. Next up, at number 4, we have the Lemorele HDMI video transmitter and receiver. The Lemorele HDMI video transmitter and receiver is a professional-grade wireless video transmission solution designed to meet the demands of modern filmmakers, content creators, and live production teams. Built on advanced 5 GHz Wi-Fi technology, it delivers smooth Full HD 1080p video at 60 Hz with ultra-low latency as low as 50 ms, ensuring near real-time monitoring and precise visual feedback during shoots. With an impressive transmission range of up to 200 meters in open environments, this system provides stable and reliable wireless connectivity, making it suitable for both indoor studios and outdoor filming locations. The device is engineered to support seamless HDMI signal transmission from cameras to monitors, enabling flexible and cable-free setups for professional video production workflows. One of its standout capabilities is real-time mobile app monitoring. Users can connect directly to the transmitter via a dedicated app and view live footage within a 20-meter range, even without a receiver. This feature allows quick on-site checks and efficient monitoring of shooting conditions, improving overall production responsiveness. The system also supports multi-receiver connectivity, where a single transmitter can pair with up to 4 receivers simultaneously. This makes it especially useful for collaborative environments such as film sets, where directors, assistants, and technical staff need synchronized viewing for better coordination and decision-making. Designed with portability in mind, the unit features foldable antennas that enhance convenience during transport and storage. This compact design makes it an ideal companion for creators who frequently move between locations. The Lemorele R5000 HDMI wireless video transmission kit is widely compatible with DSLRs, camcorders, professional monitors, and other HDMI-enabled devices, offering versatile integration into existing production setups. Its combination of stability, low latency, and multi-device support makes it a reliable tool for high-quality video capture and live monitoring in professional environments. Taking the third spot is the Qkens HDMI video transmitter and receiver. Qkens HDMI video transmitter and receiver is a powerful wireless solution designed to deliver smooth, stable, and long-distance audio-visual transmission for both professional and entertainment use. With an impressive transmission range of up to 656 feet, it enables flexible setup for meetings, classrooms, events, gaming, and home entertainment systems without the limitations of long cable connections. This device is built to enhance big screen experiences, making it ideal for presentations, teaching sessions, speeches, movies, and gaming. Whether used in a business environment or for personal entertainment, it ensures clear and efficient signal delivery that improves engagement and convenience. One of the standout features of the system is its 9 optional frequency points, including multiple anti-interference channels. These are designed to reduce signal disruption and maintain stable video, audio, and data transmission, even in environments with multiple wireless devices. This helps ensure a consistent and reliable viewing experience. For power flexibility, the device supports multiple power supply methods. It can be connected via a Type-C port to a power bank, making it highly portable and suitable for mobile setups. Additionally, it supports NPF series batteries using a buckle system, allowing continuous operation during work without frequent battery replacement concerns. The transmitter also supports Wi-Fi-based connectivity for multi-device viewing. After installing a compatible smart app, users can monitor the video source on multiple devices simultaneously. It is compatible with both iOS and Android platforms, making it convenient for modern users who rely on smartphones and tablets. On the receiver side, it features dual HDMI outputs, allowing simultaneous dual display setups for extended viewing or multi-screen presentations. The system also supports point-to-point connection, meaning it works without Wi-Fi, internet, Bluetooth, or additional apps, ensuring direct and straightforward transmission. Overall, the Qkens HDMI video transmitter and receiver offers a versatile, stable, and flexible wireless display solution designed for modern multimedia needs. Coming in at number 2 is the Synco Xvison HDMI video transmitter and receiver. The Synco Xvison HDMI video transmitter and receiver is a professional-grade wireless video transmission solution designed for filmmakers, content creators, and production crews who demand stable, real-time monitoring in dynamic shooting environments. Built with Synco's proprietary ultra-penetration transmission technology, this system delivers interference-free Full HD 1080p/60 fps video across distances of up to 200 meters. It ensures consistent signal stability even in challenging environments, making it suitable for both indoor studio setups and complex outdoor locations where obstacles and interference are common. One of its standout design advantages is its silent operation. Equipped with low-power chips and intelligent power management, the system effectively prevents overheating without requiring a cooling fan. This fanless design enables completely silent performance, making it ideal for sound-sensitive productions such as interviews, film sets, and live recordings. Flexibility is another key strength. The device supports dual power options, allowing users to run it via NPF batteries or a USB-C 5V/2A input. This ensures uninterrupted operation, whether on a professional set, remote outdoor shoot, or mobile production setup, offering maximum adaptability for different workflows. With an ultra-low latency of just 80 ms, the system provides near real-time video transmission. This precision is essential for fast-paced shooting scenarios, including drone operations, crane shots, and live camera tracking, where even slight delays can affect timing and coordination. Designed for portability, the compact 135G aluminum body fits easily into a pocket or gear bag. Foldable antennas further enhance convenience, allowing quick setup and easy storage without compromising durability or performance. For collaborative production environments, the system supports advanced multi-device monitoring. It allows up to 4 wireless receivers to connect simultaneously, while HDMI loopout enables 1 to 9 wired monitoring. This ensures that directors, camera operators, and crew members can all view the same feed in real time, improving coordination and efficiency on set. Overall, this system combines long-range stability, ultra-low latency, silent operation, and flexible monitoring options in a compact, travel-friendly design, making it a powerful tool for modern video production workflows. And finally, our top pick, the Vnnbbs WL096 Pro HDMI video transmitter and receiver. The Vnnbbs WL096 Pro HDMI video transmitter and receiver is a professional-grade wireless video transmission solution designed for high-quality, long-distance signal delivery across a wide range of production environments. Built for filmmakers, live streamers, educators, and broadcast users, it delivers stable 4K UHD video performance with advanced connectivity and flexible deployment options. At its core, the WL096 Pro supports 4K at 30 Hz ultra-high definition transmission with an impressive range of up to 450 meters, 1,500 feet. With ultra-low latency under 0.1 seconds, it ensures near real-time video monitoring, making it suitable for dynamic shooting environments where timing and synchronization are critical. To improve usability and control, both the transmitter and receiver are equipped with LCD displays. These screens provide real-time updates on connection status, signal strength, selected channel, and resolution information, allowing users to monitor and adjust settings effortlessly. Operating on the 5 GHz frequency band, the system offers 20 manually selectable anti-interference channels. This dual-side channel control helps reduce signal congestion and enhances stability in environments with multiple wireless devices, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted video transmission. One of its standout features is UVC output support on the receiver. This allows direct connection to a computer, enabling the device to function as a high-definition camera source for live streaming and recording. It supports up to 1080p at 60 Hz output and is compatible with popular software such as OBS, making it highly practical for content creation and online broadcasting. The WL096 Pro also supports 1 to 5 transmission, allowing a single transmitter to connect with up to 5 receivers simultaneously. This makes it ideal for multi-screen monitoring in studios, classrooms, conferences, and film sets. Designed for flexibility, it supports multiple power options including NPF batteries, USB-C, and DC input. Its portable design with a standard 1/4 inches mounting screw allows easy installation on cameras, rigs, and monitors. Additionally, the plug-and-play setup with prepared units ensures quick deployment and hassle-free operation, while manual repairing supports system expansion when needed. Overall, this system delivers long-range 4K performance, ultra-low latency, and professional monitoring flexibility, making it a top-tier wireless HDMI solution. Ready to cut the cords and go wireless? Check the price link in the description to find the perfect HDMI transmitter and receiver for your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more top 5 tech reviews.